Hi, my name is Martin and I work in the support and repair department. And today I will explain you how you can fix a communication error using our gas warning device MSC2. But how do you notice a communication error on our devices? If you have a communication error or any other error, you will always see a yellow LED shining on the device. In addition, you won't see a measuring value from the sensor head on the device if you have a communication error. If you are connected with our handheld tool, the STL06, or you are using the integrated display of the device, then you can also read out the communication error in the system errors. If you are connected with the PCE06, then you will get the error code 0x8100. Also, for your information, the communication error only occurs if you are using digital sensor heads. For fixing the communication error, you can use either our handheld tool, the STL06, or the integrated display of the device if you have one, or of course the PCE06.
The communication error is indicated by being displayed on the display instead of the measured value and can also be seen in the error status. Please carry out the following steps so that you can rectify the error. To begin, navigate to the parameters and activate the service mode. To do this, enter your 4-digit password. Next, navigate to the MP parameters and select the measuring point at which the sensor with a communication error is to be addressed. In this case, this is measuring point 1. The measuring point at which the communication error is present can be seen in the error status. Now go to the gas selection and select the correct gas. The respective gas type must be matched with the connected sensor. This can be found on the laser marking of the sensor. Please also check the measuring range for the correct configuration. If this is not possible to change the measuring range, or if it automatically jumps back again, the alarm thresholds may need to be adjusted beforehand. After changing, you can exit the menu with Escape and save the configuration with Enter. Before we leave the service mode, we check the correct configuration in the addressing menu. Again, we select the correct address to which the sensor is connected. Then make sure that the address is configured to active and bus. If changes are made, save as before. Once this has been carried out, you can deactivate the service mode and the yellow LED on the display, or if present on the WAO, goes out and lights up green. The error status now no longer shows any current errors. If you now go to the measured values, the measured value of the sensor is displayed, or if applicable, warm-up time. If this is the case, please wait up to 5 minutes. The communication error is indicated by being displayed on the display instead of the measured value. If there is no display on the device, the WAO lights up yellow, or if this is also not present, the integrated LED on the board. Please carry out the following steps so that you can rectify the error. To connect the PCE06, you must first loosen the 4 screws on the housing. If a display is present, you must disconnect it first and connect the PCE06 instead of the display. Open the application on your PC and connect to the tool by selecting the correct COM port. After opening, the communication error and the error message 0x8100 can be recognized. To rectify the error message, you must first activate the service mode. If the MP and relay parameters are still grayed out after activating the service mode, you can activate them via parameters and local alarm relays. Next, open the addressing menu and select the correct gas. The respective gas type must be matched with the connected sensor. This can be found on the laser marking of the sensor. Please also check the measured value for the correct configuration. After that, click Change to confirm the configuration. The measured value is now displayed, or if applicable, the warm-up time, which can take up to 5 minutes depending on the sensor principle. If an error message appears here, please close the addressing menu and open the MP parameters. Then read in the measuring point 1, 2 or 3, depends on where the sensor is addressed, and change the gas type, measuring range and adjust the thresholds. You can save the configuration again with Write. Finally, you must deactivate the service mode. Alternatively, it would switch off automatically after 15 minutes. Once the fault has been successfully rectified, the green LED will appear on the device and it can be restored to its original state.
We hope that we have been able to help you with this video, and for more how-to videos, just visit our YouTube channel.